Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're checking out Sonic Plus Deep Clean Electric Toothbrush 3700, gentle on teeth and gums. So it includes 2 sensitive brush heads, 1 brush handle. It says it is recommended that clicks replacement heads be used with this appliance. So let's go ahead, open this up. And just for the sake of the video, we're not going to actually show us using our mouth because that's pretty gross. But I will show you guys everything that you get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, there's 8 heads in here. Oh my goodness. And if you guys can see, it goes down and it highlights the different modes. Once you get to the end, it turns off. So let's go ahead and open one of these up here. It is wireless, so you charge it with this cable. And let's see, the charging port, oh, they got that hidden really well. That's really good. It's underneath here, so it's waterproof. So you just twist this off. Make sure you thread this on and twist it on. That's awesome that they have it hidden. Makes it 100% waterproof. So let's see, for this cap, you would slide it down on. There we go. All right, so that's it. I am actually going to test this out for a couple days. Again, I'm not going to show you cleaning my teeth because that's pretty disgusting. I don't think anyone wants to see that. But I'm going to test it out and I will come back and let you guys know. Okay guys, so I've about 2.5 days I've been using it, brushing my teeth 2 to 3 times a day. I have my end off. So what I personally like to do, and not everyone has to do this, but I like to soak my brush heads in Listerine solution. And then, you know, it keeps the germs away from the brush head. That's just my personal, thing. Most people are going to just leave it on and then only swap it out after a while. But I like to prolong my brush ends. So, I keep it in a little bit, just a little solution of Listerine. And then I just swap that out after a while once that gets, gross. So I actually really do like this. I have not had to charge this at all. So the battery is lasting really long. I actually didn't even charge this out of the box. So that's, I don't know if it was fully charged or how it was charged from shipping, but I haven't had to charge it yet. And that's really awesome. Each mode seems to work pretty good. I don't notice too big of a difference from each mode, but of course it's only been 2.5 days. It does work really well. I don't have really any complaints about this. It's performing how it's supposed to perform. It's working how it's supposed to work. Yeah, I'm happy. I really have no complaints. It seems to be brushing really well. My teeth seem to feel really clean after I'm done. So no complaints whatsoever from my end. I'll do a 6-month update and let you guys know, but no complaints on my end for the first 2.5 days.